In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group and ungroup objects. Grouping is a simple but powerful way to keep related items together so you can move, resize, or style them as a single unit. Ungrouping reverses that, letting you work on each piece individually again. I'll walk you through how to select the right items, how to group them, and how to ungroup them, along with handy tips to avoid common mistakes. Start by selecting the objects you want to keep together. Click the first object to make it active. Then hold the Shift key and click each additional object you want to include. Keep an eye on your selection as you go. Each shift click should highlight the next object without losing the ones you already picked. If you realize something is missing, simply keep holding shift and click that object to add it. If group is grayed out later, it usually means you don't have more than one object selected, so double check this step. With your items selected, group them. The most visual way is to right-click directly on the selection and choose Group from the context menu. If you prefer shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Alt plus G on Windows or CMD plus Option plus G on a Mac. Once grouped, those objects act like one. A single click selects the whole group, and any move, rotation, or scale applies to everything together. This is great for logos, button sets, or any layout you want to keep aligned. If you duplicate the group, all its contents duplicate in the same arrangement, saving you from rebuilding it piece by piece. Remember that many tools treat a group as a single element for alignment and distribution, which keeps spacing consistent across your design. When you need to edit items separately, ungroup them. Select the group with one click, then right-click and choose Ungroup. If you like shortcuts, press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus G on Windows or CMD plus Option plus Shift plus G on a Mac. After ungrouping, each object becomes independent again, so you can tweak sizes, colors, or positions without affecting the rest. If Ungroup doesn't appear, make sure you've selected a group, not just a single object. That's all there is to it. Shift-click to select the right objects, right-click and group, or use Ctrl plus Alt plus G or CMD plus Option plus G. And when you're ready to break them apart, right-click and ungroup, or use Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus G or CMD plus Option plus Shift plus G. With these basics, you'll stay faster, more organized, and in control of your layout.